Welcome to the virtual field trip. We're glad you're joining us here at the Glass Barn. I'm Stephanie DeCamp, and I'm the Director of Education for the Indiana State Fairgrounds and Event Center. We decided to figure out a program that was important for middle school students, and so that we could go into the classroom so they could have a fun experience, a virtual field trip without leaving their classroom.
As Stephanie's teaching the virtual program, I'm in the back just running the technology part of the program, making sure everything is as it should be. As we're going through a virtual program, the students can raise their hand, ask a question, Stephanie answers.
So it's easy, it's very turnkey. Teachers will contact us, sign up for participation in the program. They'll set a virtual date, and 2 weeks prior to the virtual date, we'll send a kit, which contains all the information and contents that they need. The teacher is responsible for teaching 2 of the lesson plans that are sent to the schools. The first one is a DNA extraction. It walks the students through extracting DNA from a soybean. So they actually start with real soybeans and do the lab that extracts the soybean DNA. So they will have a test tube at the end that is dyed with a different color so they can visually see the white DNA strands. In the comic book lesson plan, the teachers will walk the students through the creative side of telling the story of how seeds are developed through different processes.
Being involved in the experiments are really cool, and it just helps you entertain the whole time.
I actually got to see how this DNA can be pulled from the soybean. Rather than just maybe seeing a picture, I actually was able to see it right in front of my face.
Normally, you don't always get to do stuff hands-on like this.
So the content of the virtual learning program of It's All About Genes is aligned with state standards for mainly 7th and 8th grade classrooms. However, depending on the biology level, it can go up to 9th grade.